we need to discuss about that. ये से preparation देख लो. Ayodhya Mosque to be better than the Taj. Ayodhya Mosque to be better than the Taj. The Hindu. 14 November. 15 January. Ayodhya Mosque and to be better than the Taj and panel I am at the buildings. One of India and the biggest mosque and which will be the host and the world biggest. Korans and construction expected to begin this year and the Smita Mishra. न्यू दिल्ली स्मिता मिश्रा लिखा है. द इंडो इस्लामिक्स एंड कल्चर्स एंड द फाउंडेशन एंड IICF and the trust and the overseeing and the constructions and of the mosque in Ayodhya and has decided to try a different approach into funding the project and that has not taken and of it and due to the paucities and of the monies and the administratives and delay and it will relaunch and the effort and this times and with the beggars and the pumping of the Ram temples and taking the lead and is the new chief of the mosques and development committees. Committees appointed in the November 2023 and the Haji Arfat Sheikh the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and leaders and from the Maharashtra and earlier and the plan and by the SM the Akhtar the founders dean and of the faculties of the architecture at the Jamias Millia and Islamiyas and university in Delhi and had included the hospitals, other community kitchens, a library and other research center across the 4,500 square times and now the IMS. Now the IMS is to be the belt and one of the big guest and the mosque of India and better than the Taj Mahal and along and with the world and the biggest Korans and Bart Bill the measures and about the 21 feet and Mr. the Sheikh says and it will also be at the first mosque in India and to have 5 and the minors and the earlier designs and looked and like and the egg cell and not at all the like other mosque and Mr. the Sheikh said of the zero carbon footprint design and adding that the new designs are prepared by the Pune based and the architect and the Imran San Sheikh and will be the ready and by the February and while the hospital and the communities and kitchen will be the retails and more the features and had been introduced and he see the constructions and of the expanded and the vision begin in the second half of the 2024 after the Ramjan say the break and with the words is and of the Quran in scribed and oral overs it will and the travels to the Madina. ओरे ले चीज दे दूं देख तो चीज दे दूं देख चीज लेगी चीज दे दो ले चीज पी ले पी ले Scribed over it will and the travel and the Medina and in the kingdoms of the Saudi Arabia and KSA and to the prominent dargah and the across Indias and he said and the addings and that it will and the finally and be laid at the side at the mosque had been allotted and the 5 acres and plots and 25 kilometers and from the heart of the Ayodhya in Dannipur and in the February 2020 and the Supreme Court in November 2019 and has given way to the construction of the temple in Ayodhya. It the site and where the Hindu fundamentalists had the brought and down the 16th century and Babri Masjid in December 1992. The water and the light and so is also being played at the mosque and the Uttar Pradesh government and organized one at the Saryu and river and ghat in the Ayodhya and where the Ramayanas and the plays out every evening. Continue on page numbers. विराट क्या हो गया क्या होगा वो तो अच्छो खेल रहा बाय नहीं है जरूरत ऊपर मुंह पर जावे की कल पोछा लगाओ तो मैं नहीं उठ रही जिन देखा है सो कर लो भैया बुलाल चाह बाप बोला मंदिर है वो शर्म नहीं यार कभी कच्छ नहीं लगा मंदिर की भगवान ने नीट के मार जानता है दिखा तू तो अच्छे से ले लो तू यात्रा जब बैठा हूँ तो इनको दम में उठा दो एवरी इवनिंग विराट एवरी इवनिंग number 7 related on the track आजा क्या कर रहा है बेटा जब का कर ले Editorial second Karchi named India and the chairperson Nitin suggested as the conview suggested convene over and the Congress chief name 8 the blocks and meet the Bihar, and CM has the neither accepted and nor the rejected and proposal and finals decision after more consultations. Sandeep Fukan, New Delhi. Congress President and the Mallikarjun and Kharge and emerge and as the consensus and the choice to be the chairpersons of the Indian National Development Inclusively Alliance and India. 8A the virtuals and meeting of the opposition. Meeting on the oppositions and leader on the Saturdays. And Bihar Chief Minister and the Janata Dal and United Chief Nitin Kumar name was the suggested as the conveners of the groups and by the everyone president and by Mr. the Kumar and neither the immediately accepted and nor the rejected the proposals. A final call and will be the taken and after the consulting those and leaders and who the speakers and Saturday. Meeting including the Trinamool and the Congress President and the West Bengal Chief Ministers and the Mamata Banerjee and Shiv Sena's and UBT leaders Uddhav Thackeray and the Samajwadi and the Samajwadi Party and Chief the Akhilesh Yadav and the while there was on any meetings on the Mr. Kharge and the Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren suggested the Rahul Gandhi. Virat, aja, hey. ले डंडा दे दूँ तो Gandhi as a youth and a dynamic face and could also lead and the blocks. Mr. Gandhi prominently and declined the sittings and the Bharat Jodo Yatra and the Nabya Yatra and that will be the flagged and off from the Manipurs and Thobal districts on the January 14 and he also the asserted and that the Mr. and the Kharge was the far and more the experience and beside the being the party president and through there was no and the officials and the briefings and after the meeting and JD and you the general secretary and Sanjay Jha and the confirmed in the development regarding the top post and the Bihar and CM has so far and not given his approval and to the proposals of making him and the conversions. Mr. Jha told reporters and in Patna continue. Kejriwal gets the 4 AD and the Simons in the excise case the Hindu Bureau. New Delhi. The enforcement director ED has issues. It is the 4th and the Simons to AAP chief and the Delhi chief ministers and Arvind Kejriwal to appears before the agency and the record his statement in connection and with the Delhi and exercise policy and case the accordings and to the ED and the official Mr. Kejriwal who speaked and the first 3 the Simons and has been asked to the appears and before the investigating and team on the January 18 and the CM is the unlikely and to the appears and before the agency as he had and already announced a visit to the Goa during the same times and according to the Aam Aadmi parties and source the however and when asked whether The CM would appear and before the agencies and the Aam Aadmi parties and Delhi the conventions. Conventions Gopal Rai did not give other conclusive answers and saying the we will take advice from our legal the advisors and acts as per the law. In brief, and the NIA and the shared the inputs and with the FBI on the San Francisco attack. New Delhi and the Indian Investigations Agency and shared it is the fundings and with the US and federations. Bureau of the Investigation and the pertaining to the March 2023 attack and on the Indian consulate in the San Francisco to the ensures and there the perpetrators and are the prosecuted and for the offense and expenditure. Yesly page 7. ED arrest and 5 in the Rajasthan and papers and leak case. New Delhi enforcement and the directorate and has the arrested and the 5 person in the connections. And with its the monies and laundering the investigation into other teachers and requirement and paper and exam paper leak case.